Hello, this is Wildcard 120. I am here at lovely Linden, Utah, and I can't remember the date. I think it's the 19th. At my new job. Yeah, I kind of left Walmart, and I'm at my new job here in Linden, enjoying this lovely weather. Well, it wasn't that lovely last night when it was wind gusts of 35, 40 miles an hour. And then when I tried to get to work here today, it was like 20 miles an hour wind gusts. That wasn't nice. But it's nice to get the snow. And it's trying to get warm. So, hope you guys are enjoying your weather in your neck of the woods. Looking forward to going home since today's my last day at work for the next 2 days. And hoping the snow stops. They're talking about it stopping around 11 p.m. That's going to be bad. So hopefully I won't have to leave early today. But before I sign off, a big shout out to ContraPoints, one of my favorite YouTubers, for her starting to make the transition and really getting through that very emotional process that she documented. Hats off to her, because that took a lot of bravery, just bearing her soul like that. And hats off to some black guy, especially in that video he just did about the Tide Pod Challenge. I'll try to look descriptions for that video below. Hopefully it'll save somebody from winning the Darwin Award. Hopefully. Okay, so here's Wildcard 120 signing off. Keep watching.